Good morning. Welcome to day 25. I am heading towards the Derrick Knob shelter today. It's about 10 miles. Last night I slept in the shelter. There were no mice, thank goodness, that I know of. It was so windy, but you couldn't feel it. They had nice tops up, but the tops were really loud. And the good thing about that was you couldn't really hear anybody moving around because it sounded just like the tops. I got some ups to begin with. A lot of ups, but we'll be there eventually. It's 8 a.m. Let's see what time I get there. This is the Russell Field shelter. It's similar to the ones that I just slept in. It's pretty nice. Fireplace, but no one's lighting fires. Yep. Pretty cool. So a lot of people wonder about what thru hikers talk about. When we meet each other, it's the same questions like, what's your trail name? Where you from? When did you leave? How many miles you're planning on doing today? What shelters have you stayed on? Have you seen so-and-so? It's typical questions. Obviously, gear talk, food talk, resupply. Pretty typical conversations about hiking. So I've pretty much gone about 6 miles. It's 11 o'clock, so that's not bad. 2 miles every hour. I look fabulous. I'm not a fan of my hat. I might keep my head warm, but when I wear it at night in the shelter, it's constantly coming off. So I don't know if I'm gonna get a beanie or something like that. We'll see. A little overcast today, but I like it. It's nice and cool, better than hot, sunny sun beaming down on you. So, gotta go up a little bit now. Have 6 more miles to go. Dave's ahead of me. He's way up there. He's from Keene, New Hampshire. And in front of him is In Time. I forget where she's from. But I've seen them the last few shelters. We're all gonna stay at the same shelter tonight. The Derrick Knob shelter. It's pretty to have some color. Coming up to a viewing point. This is Rocky Top. There is a song. I don't know if it's the state song.
I don't know.
Wish I were in Rocky Top. Down in the Tennessee hills. Ain't no smoky smoke on Rocky Top. Ain't no telephone bills. This is why I will not be singing to you. But that one was for Nemo. first rain, and I have a mile to go. Yuck. Yes, I'm hiding. And of course the blowdown when I'm just about at my shelter. The shelter is right up there. And it's 12 miles and it's starting to rain again.